What's going on, guys? So we are currently in a macro from 9:50 till 10:10. I decided to quickly start recording because I just entered a trade and I'll run through the trade in 2 minutes. So you'll see that we just traded above this swing high. We had a run, and then as this candle touched on this high here, I bought this. So this is where I entered, and now I'm expecting a run into this buy side liquidity up here. So I'm just going to put an arrow to show the buy, and then as soon as that takes out this buy side liquidity, I'm getting out because it was a very low risk trade. So that means I have quite a big position open, and as soon as it takes out that high, which is going to be very soon, I'm expecting it to pull back and retrace back to this area. So let's just see if we can take out this high. Easy does it. Check on Dixie. Yeah, just a very last minute trade, really, nothing too special. The reason I drew this box out was to show how I don't anticipate price to come back below this order block until this high is taken out. So there we are, hit our target, close my position, and we're done. Yeah, so this was a very simple process. I'll quickly run through it one more time. So I've seen us work our way up towards this buy side liquidity. We were in the macro, we had an expansion upwards. This is a breaker because we have a low, a high, a low, and then we broke higher. So as this candle came down and touched this level, I knew to buy. And then I anticipate price to run up into this buy side liquidity where there's also a fair value gap. And that's exactly what we can see. Now I don't know if it's going to actually close above it yet, or whether we're going to get a retracement first. And then you'll see how when I drew out this this order block, we came down to the 50% mean threshold, and then what happened, we expand higher again. Here we're doing the same thing, we're inside the fair value gap now, so I'm expecting us to probably push higher now, so long as it doesn't break this order block. So technically I could have traced my stop loss up here, so long as this candle doesn't get broken. But like I said, it looks like we're about to retrace now. Let's see what happens. If it takes out this low, then I'd anticipate this area to start getting targeted. We could even trade it down, to be honest. But we'll see. Let's see what Dixie's doing. Dixie's just traded to the 50% level of this, I believe. Consequent encroachment. Just about, not even hit it yet, so yeah, we'll see. Euro, you see, you kind of just consolidating now. It's possible we might expand quite aggressively higher if Dixie wants to take out these lows, which it likely does. If Dixie wants to go for that sell side liquidity, then Euro will likely want to expand higher and run for this buy side liquidity. But But like I said, because of how low risk the trade was, as in my stop loss was only put below this low here, I was like, okay, I can just trade up to there. Literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-minute trade in and out. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.